Read the directions very well. Quickly. Look at these sleeping pandas. First, we have to wash the snails. Wash them of all shit and all slime. They enjoy a bath all the time. Clean yourselves, super snails. So the cage is clean. No bacteria, nothing. We clean them off, we boil the pot. You know what comes next. We toss those fuckers in. It might be hard to see, but you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. None of them will make it alive. Once they've been boiled, we get to pull them out of their shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pluck them like turkeys. Next, we have to cook them again. In vinegar this time. This time, we're gonna boil all that excess nonsense off of them. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be swell. Once they're clean, we throw in the actual ingredients and we give them a stir fry, so to speak. Just enough to make the perfect crunchy dip for our special shit.